In this example, we will be mapping customer data. Let's start by creating a link between the two systems' data points. In this example, we will need to click on Customer within the WooCommerce section, then click on Create a Relation. Then click on Customer under the Unleashed section. This creates a link between the two data points. A pop-up box will appear asking you to name your link. Next, we will need to create a new map for the link we have just created. Click on the lines between the data points and select New. Name your map. Now that you have created and named a new map, it is time to enter our mapping section. Our mapping section is where you can set different data points to interact together. The DSYNC mapping engine is all drag and drop. It is important that you map any required fields. Required fields are highlighted with a red asterisk. Click to add fields to be mapped. You can click several fields at once and then pair the data to the right endpoint. For the customer example, we will be mapping customer code to ID, email to email, contact first name to first name, contact last name to last name. For customer name, we will be trying something special. By using our mapping engine, we can bend and join the data together. In this example, we will be joining the first and the last name together to become the customer's full name. To set this up, click on first name and then last name, and then add a space in the custom field string element section. This will create 3 titles for you to position in the mapping field as a rule for the data to display. Proceed to select Save on your data map. To switch the direction of your data flow, simply click on the 2 arrows indicating the direction of the data. Follow the same process by aligning the data points against the right endpoints. In this example, we will be aligning the following data entities. Email is mapped to email. First name is mapped to contact first name. Last name is mapped to contact last name. Username is mapped to email. However, it would depend on your login credentials. Password is mapped to your password settings. For password, we will also need to create a custom rule to accommodate the right format. Proceed to select Save. The next step is to set the direction of the data flow. Then enable the synchronization by selecting the small Enable button in the right corner. Let's test our WooCommerce and Unleashed integration. From your WooCommerce website, create a new customer. Let's call the new user Luke Bob. Continue the testing by entering all of the standard user's information. As we select Save and then visit our Unleashed dashboard, a new user called Luke Bob has been synchronized. We can also add new customers in Unleashed and have the customer reflected on your WooCommerce website. For testing purposes, let's call the customer Florian Unleashed. As we select Save and add the customer information is synchronized. This example showcased customer synchronization. However, DSYNC is used to sync product data between Unleashed and WooCommerce, and also update sales orders from WooCommerce back to Unleashed. The DSYNC team also offer free setup and support via our onboarding team.